Good morning to all. This is Padmavati from Women's College. I am going to teach for you today an introduction to letter writing. There are two types of letters. One is informal letter, another is formal letters. So it is very important to write letter to anyone in olden days. But technology is changing it now. Anyway, we have to learn about the letters. Now there is a simple elements in this. What are those? Let's see. Sender address and date, receiver address, subject and salutation. These are the main important elements in this lesson. Now coming to the point. What is sender's address? Sender's address is the main mailing address of the sender. It is an essential part of both formal and informal. Coming to the point, date is compulsory. You have to write down at the left side of the letter. Succeeding the space after the returning address comes the date on which the letter is written or sent. Next, receiver address is the most important format. Receiver's address is the corresponding address of the person to whom the letter is being sent. Next, subject. You have to be careful about writing the subject. It must be written without grammatical mistakes. A subject determines the purpose of writing the brief. It helps the recipient to deal successfully with the main aim of your letter. It is preceded with the word subject and is placed directly after the receiver address. And mainly, this is a main important salutation. The salutation is a customary greeting to the recipient of the letter. It varies depending upon the relationship between the sender and the receiver. And the most important thing I am going to explain for you, signature. It is the last part of the letter where the sender signs off the first and last name. And main important, you have to be careful about the key points of the better letter writing. Selection of correct words and the point content and courtesy, correct use of punctuation marks and the style of writing. So be careful when you are writing letters. It address compulsory on envelope. Address in envelope is important for these people who write letter and it is not a part of writing address properly. It is cover of envelope will help you to deliver your envelope properly to the destination. Postage and address are the two main elements of the addressing envelope. Here envelope format is also given for your better understanding. Now you can see here how the envelope will be writing this. The picture shows how an addressed envelope should look like. The horizontal lines represent the lines of address. Now here see children, post stamp, recipient address and senders. This is a sample of envelope for this informal letter. So here you can see the address given before. So here just for example I am going to give here. Please look at here and write down. And the formal letter, here you can see the placement of the executive, ABC Consultancy, 78 Enclave and New Delhi. From where, from who is, from means the person who is writing. Next, postage. The postage goes to the upper right hand corner in the envelope. Make sure the stamp must be postponed. Postage and property to the, so that it is cancellation does not affect the address. B, use the envelope is sufficiently stamped as a norms. Address must be write with carefully. The name and address of the recipient should be written at the center of the envelope. If using envelope with windows, make sure the address is visible clearly through the window. And coming to the part of the how to end an informal letter also. Some of the important writings of the informal letters, you can use simple language that is a parts of informal letter. Sender's address is common for every letter. Date also compulsory. Salutation is compulsory. Body of the letter is compulsory. And signature is a compulsory. So be careful when you are writing letter. It is must and should be clear with grammatical mistakes. Thank you everyone.